Hey everyone, it's Caroline Sweet Beauty. Sweet Caroline Beauty here, and I'm gonna do a tutorial for you today. And this is my neon yellow look. So first we're gonna be using the Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just gonna dab right under the eyeballs, right under my eye sockets, using the classified powder puff. And now I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer, and I'm just going to put it on top of the eyelids with this orange cue ball, also known as the Real Techniques Miracle Blending Sponge, because it works miracles. Just keep dabbing, dabbing. What do? We dab. Yo, check out this look though. Check me out. No biggie. Alright, here we go. This is the pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smokey Eyeshadow Palette. You right, it's vulgar, and we're just gonna line it up on the eyes again. We're still working on the eyes here, people. Come on. Keep putting it on. Move it around. Make sure it gets even. Don't be lazy. Don't be getting complacent on me now. And this eyeshadow is called Hide and Seek. And as you can see, we ain't hiding from nobody out here. And we're still using the same Vulgar eyeshadow palette, and the name of this bad boy right here is called Flip Out, because I might flip out on you if you don't stop putting that eyeshadow on. And we're just applying it to the outside, the inside, everywhere that I feel is necessary to look amazing. And we're still applying the same eyeshadow, the Flip Out, and we're just gonna keep patting it on, pat away. Wow, you can really see the color, like wow. Dark, light, dark, whatever. And we're just gonna keep applying it until we get the color that we like, the color that we're going for. And almost there, we're almost ready for a night out, and bam. And now we're gonna go back to the same brush that we used from the jump to just blend these bad boys together, or bad girls, whatever you like. And yeah, here we go. Alright, so back to the eyeshadow palette, and now we're using Swoop, not to be confused with the Shoop. And we're just going to apply it inside of our eyelid and on the outside of our eyelid. Wow, and we are just using this palette so much. So this is called I Spy. Who do I spy? I Spy. Yeah, so we're just going to put this on top of our already eyeshadowed eyes. And it's gonna make it, wow, look at that, you can see the color, it just looks amazing, people. Kind of looks like a dark to light, in the middle, and wink, back at you, girl. So back to the eyeshadow, we're gonna use Clutch because it's so clutch, and we're gonna put this, oh wow, this is gonna be on the inside, making it a little bit brighter, and we gotta hit that other side too. Every time. Like my sound effects. And check it out. Very nice look. Back to the eyeshadow palette. And this one is called Break Free. Ooh, got the perfect one for this. You like that, huh? That song is amazing, from the Grandes of the Arianas. And now we're applying it to the other side, and we're gonna watch our eyes just break free. Alright, and here we go. Another one. Oh, actually we're going back to the Flip Out, so it's still the same one, and we're gonna just apply this to the bottom part of our eyes because we already finished with the top. So, wow, look at that. We're just gonna apply it back and forth, left to right, right to left. And wow, you can just see her eyes are just like pow. And then back to the eyeshadow. This is a hide and seek again, so we gotta apply the same thing that we applied before. You know the gist. Move that brush left and right, right to left, side to side, and yeah. Alright, so this is a LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner in Screaming. Dang, that thing is really yellow. So, I mean, it's not really yellow, but yeah, it's really yellow actually. What am I talking about? So then just apply this. Careful, don't poke your eyeballs now. Boom. 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 Look at that stare. Wow, so focused. Alright, and we're halfway there, people. So come on, let's stay on track. So this is the Anastasia Norvina Electric Cake Liner in Electric Yellow, because you know, we're doing some neon yellow. Alright, so whoa. Ooh, you're just caking that on. Look at that. I mean, that, yeah. Looks great. Wow. I just feel like if I was the one doing this, I'd be getting that all over the place. It would be all in my eyes. I wouldn't be able to see anything, and this would not be fun for anybody to watch. Or maybe it would be fun for some people who enjoy seeing other people in pain and suffering, but not for me. Not for me. But look at this color. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at that point. Can y'all do this? Because like I said, I know I can. Some fine work of art right here. And then just like before, we got to fill everything in to make that line nice and solid. So don't forget to do that, because if you do, you're gonna look funky. And we're almost there, everybody. We're almost there. Stay with me now. Boom! We're back. Look at that. It's all finished. Just kidding. We still got more to go. Alright, and now we're using the Huda Beauty Pastel Rose Palette. And the eyeshadow that we're going to be using first is going to be Sunshine Yellow. Because I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! And it makes me feel good. And apply this on the inside of the line, and then back to the palette, the Huda palette. And this is Lemon Shimmer. Put that on top to make it shimmer, 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 shimmer. Fun word to say. And this is the Glossier Lash Slick Mascara that we're just going to put on top of our eyelashes. And we're going to flick it up, make it nice and pretty. And I'm just amazed at how this looks. Like, come on, everybody. You guys can't tell me you're not impressed with this, because this looks great. And if y'all don't subscribe, y'all are missing out on some good quality stuff right here. I just noticed I talk with this, you know, an accent, and it's not really who I am. I'm just, you know, kind of camera shy. So even though, you know, I'm not on the camera, but here we are. And then we look up, and then we're just gonna apply it to the bottom part to make it look nice and full, just like the top part. But I tell you, this girl got some great eyelashes on here, because mine do not look like this. And those are real. And then we move to the head of the side, and then we're going to do a little stare. Just kidding. Because we're not done yet. And this is the NYX, however you want to pronounce it. Dark brown slim eye pencil as a lip liner. Oh, so this is an eye pencil that you put on your lips, huh? That's interesting. And yeah, I mean, you can see that color is really making a difference right now. Look, it kind of looks like a chorla, but we're not done yet. We're almost there. So we're just going to apply this to the top part, all on the outside, and then we're going to hit the bottom, I think. I mean, just assuming on how this video has been going so far. What we do to one side, we got to do the other, make it all even all the way around. And I told you we were going to apply it to the bottom. How did I know? I'm a genius. What can I say? So yeah, same thing we did to the top, we're going to do the bottom. Just make sure you guys get it all on the outside, all around. I know this is going on YouTube too, so for those of you who don't know, Chola is like a gangster. And yeah, stab you. Just kidding. Alright, so this is the Lime Crime. Lime Crime, I like that word. Lime Crime, nice ring to it. Wet Cherry Extra Poppin' Lip Gloss. And yeah, it makes it super shiny, makes it look super dope. Yeah, sure it tastes like cherries too. And I love cherries. And we are coming up on the last 2 minutes of the vid. So this is the Bahama Mama Balm Cosmetics bronzer. And just applying this on the cheekbones. Boom, boom, boom. Make that shadow pop in. Get under the jawline. Make that pop out. Top of the forehead. Apply it all around. Great. And this is the Melt Cosmetics California Dream Blush. And just applying that on top of the cheekbones. Look great. Feel great. Look great. Feel great. And just like we applied to one side, we got to do it to the other side. So don't forget to hit the other side. And that's what we're doing right here. How did I know we were going to do that? Wow, I'm a genius, like I said. Dude, and like look at this girl. She's gorgeous. Drop dead. This is some good stuff right here. She gets down to the nitty-gritty with this makeup stuff. For real. And back with the Melt Cosmetics, this is the Stargazer highlighter. The highlighter, obviously, it's going to give a nice shine to it, and we're putting that on top of the Bahama Mama bronzer and the blush. And that's just going to give it a nice shine to it, because we shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Top of the nose, too, and on the chin. Wow, you can really see that stuff shine. All around. And last but not least, we're using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And that's it. Pretty much done here, folks. Yeah, this is the finished look. It looks great. So, for those here that made it through this 12-minute video of hearing my annoying voice talk, I applaud you. But if you like this video and like this look, please subscribe. Thank you. Peace.